to my channel. This is your girl AE. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, well, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. Yes, we are in 50k. I can't do without you guys. I so appreciate your love, your support, your care, your comments, your like, your subscribe, and everything. I just said I'm grateful, and may God bless you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about self-confidence. Yes, self-confidence. How can someone be self-confident? I know this thing happens to each and every one of us. So I'm going to tell you how to become self-confident and how to believe in yourself. Okay, so I'm going to share a little bit motivation with you, and yeah, so that is all for today's video. So I will be doing my makeup, and also I think I'll be doing voiceover. Yes, so because I don't know how to talk and also concentrate on the makeup. No, so I'm going to do voiceover. Then without much ado, let's dive into the video.
So first thing first, we are going for the eyeshadow first, and as usual, I start with my eye first before going to the face. Okay, so as the title already tells you, I'm going to talk about self-confidence. And truly fact, some of us, we lack self-confidence in our daily lives. Yes, and I'm going to share some little motivation with you on how someone can become self-confident. Yes, so to start with, the first thing that you have to do is to always celebrate your accomplishments. Okay, so anything that you do in life, you have to make sure that you celebrate it. Any little things that you do, make sure that you celebrate it, either big or small. Yes, because each milestone you achieve is a proof of the ability and worthiness. Okay, so always acknowledge and appreciate your progress, and let it fuel your confidence to conquer even greater heights. Yes, at a time, self-confidence may vary, but remember that it is a journey. Yes, you can accomplish at once. So it is a journey, not a destination. So you have to be patient with yourself and practice self-compassion. Always practice self-compassion. Okay, you have to nurture your confidence by practicing self-care, setting realistic goals. Yes, you have to set realistic goals for yourself, and also by facing your fears. Don't let your fears bring you down. Yes, that is one thing that you have to put in mind. Never let your fears bring you down. Okay, so and make sure that whenever you are facing that, you leave that fear and move on. Okay, so yeah, that is one thing I'm going to tell you about self-confidence. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about insecurity. Insecurity may try to hold you back, but do not let them define you. Yes, embrace your uniqueness. Anything that you have to embrace it. Anything that you have in you, embrace it and let it shine. Okay, you have to trust in your abilities. As I already said, you have to trust in your ability, and also trust in your journey, and trust in yourself. If you don't trust yourself, you can't have that confidence that you are looking for. So you have to trust yourself, and also with the unwavering self-confidence, you have the power to conquer and any challenges and make your dreams reality. Yes, so this is just a little thing that I decided to share with you, and I hope you have taken one or two things in this, and I will just leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. So thank you so much, enjoy the video.
finished look. I hope you enjoy one or two things in this video. If it does, give me the thumbs up, and please like, subscribe, and yeah. So without much ado, I'm out.